Welcome to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, we are going to show you exactly how to hide participants in Google Meet. Whether you are trying to focus on a main presentation, reduce visual clutter on a busy screen, or just want a distraction-free environment, hiding a specific participant's video feed can be incredibly helpful. Fortunately, Google Meet makes this process very straightforward. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have already joined your active Google Meet session. Once you are in the meeting and looking at the grid of users, locate the specific video tile of the participant that you want to hide from your personal view. Hover your mouse cursor directly over their video tile. When you do this, a small menu icon represented by 3 vertical dots will appear. Click on these 3 dots to open up the options menu for that specific user. In the drop-down menu that appears, you will see a few different choices, including options like remove from the call and don't watch. Since we only want to hide their video feed from our own screen without affecting their presence in the meeting, carefully select the don't watch option. And that is it. The moment you click don't watch, that participant's video feed will be successfully hidden from your layout. If you are in a large meeting with dozens of people, using this feature is a great way to clean up your screen and focus solely on the active speaker or the presentation. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more professional, easy to follow technical tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.